Clairol Root Touch-Up, 5R Medium Auburn Reddish Brown, Permanent Hair Color 1 kit. The permanent root solution for long-lasting, natural-looking roots. Touch-Up takes only 10 minutes and lasts up to 3 weeks. Seamlessly blends with leading shades, even salon color among leading retail permanent shades and pre-formulated salon color. Gives you permanent, touch-proof, sweat-proof roots. Extend the life of your hair color. Root Touch-Up gives your hair color a boost, covering roots and grays anytime between regular colorings. The targeted root cream works in just 10 minutes and matches leading shades, even salon color. Packaging might vary from what is seen on the site, but the contents remain the same. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. I was a little afraid at first because the color looked so different from mine, but it was a perfect match. It's the fastest way to do my roots in a hurry. Highly recommend.